We gaan naar Omsk in Rusland. Er werd gevraagd voor meer diepgang. So I'm gonna try this one in English. So 63 hours in the train from Ulaanbaatar naar Omsk. Hello. This is a train and it is totally different than the other ones. It's more like Russian style and I like it. Here's the semaphore with warm water, very important for the noodles and the soups and the tea. And the carriages are also pretty different, more like the Russian style. You can open this and you can put your luggage in. I'm staying with, what's your name again?
Nico from Argentina.
Nico from Argentina. And look like this typical Russian stilo, man. Yeah, I think we're in a train for 1.5 hours now. And the landscape is really beautiful. Lots of snow and water and...
I'm reading, Bob.
Oh yeah, I get a history lessons about Argentina. So
This is what the terrorists do. Go Peron.
Go Peron and fuck the gorillas.
Yeah.
That's
Fuck
what it
the
is.
gorillas.
Fuck the gorillas. Okay, we're for 3 hours in the train now, and yeah, this is for the last couple of hours. This is the view. 60 more hours to go. We are in the train for 6.5 hours now. I'm filling the forms for the immigration of Russia and Mongolia. So yeah, Bob, heb je nou eens met meer diepgang of hoe zit dat? We are crossing the border in I think the next 2 hours, 3 hours. And now we have to wait for 4 hours. Oh, really friendly people.
It's 11:40. We have to wait for 4 hours.
Dobre utke. Good morning. Now this was the first night. We had 2 stops. I had a good night. And this is Russia.
Wow, that sounds so beautiful, man.
Well, it's bringing my baby, 'cause she's mine, she's mine.
I ordered potatoes and I ordered a salad. And this is what it is actually. So I would say have a good meal. Yeah. Another stop. We are in Zima. It's 3 degrees. And I'm gonna get into the train back because it's very cold. See you later. Alright, it's 9:20 in the morning. This looks like really Russia, you know? It's the old-fashioned communist style. 16 more hours to go. We are arriving in Omsk. There we are in Omsk for 22 AM, PM. I'm not fucking ready. I'm not even sure if it's for 20. I'm so fucked up. All the time zones, they really make it crazy in the mind. I want to thank everyone. It was an amazing train trail. 62 hours and I'm gonna find my best. Thank you. Bye bye.